Students, today we are going to read chapter 2, Endangered Species. Species means a group of animals. Endangered species, a group of animals who are in a danger of disappearing from the world. It means they are left very less in number and now they are at the edge of disappearing from the world. Many animals have disappeared from the earth. It is because of various destructive means harmful activities of humans such as hunting, killing and destruction of their natural habitats. Natural habitats means where they live. Okay, why only some animals are left on the earth? Because of the harmful activities of human like hunting, killing and destruction means disappearing their natural habitats. Like all of you know that the wild animals especially they live in the forest, but now the number of forests are cutting daily, so their natural habitats are disappearing. There are many other animals which are going to disappear in the near future. Such animals are known as endangered animals, and many other animals are there now, those who are going to disappear in the near future, and that animals are called endangered animals. So let's start the exercise. First is, this big animal is found in the ice-cold region of Canada and Alaska. It has a thick white coat for which it is haunted, and that is polar bear. Polar bear बच्चे, it is a big animal and it found in a ice-cold region of Canada and Alaska, and it has a thick white coat, and for his fur it is killed. Haunted means killed. This second is, this animal is found in the forest of Africa and Assam. It has a hard tuft of hair. Tuft means bunch of hair, and its snout. Snout means a long nose, which is commonly known as horn. You can see here that is a snout as known as horn, and for this horn this animal is killed. That is rhinoceros. Third is, this is a big member of the cat family, and it is found in the forests of India, especially in Sundarbans Delta. It is killed for its beautiful skin, and that is Bengal tiger. Okay, he is belong to a cat family and especially found in Sundarbans Delta, and it is killed for his beautiful skin. Next, this animal is a member of bear family. It is found in the thick bamboo forest on the cold mountains of China, that is panda. Okay, that is that belong to a bear family, and this is found in the thick bamboo forest. Next is fifth, these birds were found in plenty in Siberia. Plenty means in a lot of number. Okay, in a much numbers they are found in Siberia. However, their number has been reduced, it means getting less, to only a few due to their indiscriminate hunting. Indiscriminate means not any sensible reason. There is not any sensible reason, but they are getting killed. Okay, and that is a Siberian crane. Next is, millions of these animals were found in the forest of North America. They were shot indiscriminately to save the railway track. Now they are on the brink of extinction, means edge of extinction means they are going to disappear. That is bison. Okay, this is also found in forest of North America, and they are also killed without no any sensible reason, just because to save the railway track, and now they are also in the category of endangered animals. Thanks.